Sun is setting and today it's a comparatively beautiful evening because it's pretty much clear. For past 2 days we had really bad smoke. Right, so all these bottles are from all this trash you see here. All of this are from past 4 years. They are lying with me. I did not throw them because I know if I throw them they most probably land up in the landfills, so I'm trying to reuse them. Okay, today we are looking into two things. One is good trash, another is bad trash. Both are bad trash in a way, but although we have to deal with this kind of plastic already and also this kind of plastic already, we try to recycle, reduce the waste in one way or another and try to be sustainable. So these are the plastic bottles which are there for past 4 years with me now. So these are actually bought 4 years back, and I no more buy soft drinks or water bottles. When I shifted here, we had no source of fresh water because I had to install the RO filter, etc. And at that time I bought these bottles. So what is good about this is since that time, it's been 4 years, it has not degraded. So there are plastics which are of different kinds. One is HDPE, LDPE, there is PET bottles, etc, etc. You can go on to Google and know more about it. Although HDPE is heavy density, there is low density, there are PET, and then there are all these food containers which is which are supposed to degrade faster. So what I mean to say by bad plastic is try not to use these if you are trying to use them in your balconies where there is no shade, because they degrade really fast in the sun. Yeah, you see these? So try not to use these. It's better you discard them, maybe wash them little bit and discard them so that they go for recycling straight away in the recycling plants. That's good. These are very good. They don't degrade so fast because of its purpose. It must not leach. Also the plastic must not leach because they contain water, and water should remain safe. Similarly with the soft drink bottles. This is a beautiful resource. We talked about resource before also. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chop this and then again use it for mulching. So it's almost like a permaculture in a very limited space.